Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Daddy-Daughter Cooking. I'm Daddy.
And I'm Daughter.
And you know, I've been thinking long and hard about this one, Daughter. Today, I think we should make some lactose-free biscuits.
You've already made that, Daddy, and
Oh, hold on, let me think. How about we make some cinnamon and...
We've already made that?
We made that too?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Give me a second to think. Hold on, Daughter. I got it. Let's make some beef stroganoff.
What is beef stroganoff?
Okay, hold on. Too advanced. I understand. Give me a second. It'll come to me. Only I knew what to make. Chocolate chip muffins. Let's get started.
Here are today's ingredients for our lactose-free chocolate chip muffins. 2 cups flour, half a cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup dairy-free chocolate chips, 3/4 cup lactose-free milk, 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of raw sugar combined.
It's time to make our lactose-free chocolate chip muffins. Daughter, what do?
We have to add all of our wet ingredients.
All of our wet ingredients. Okay, here we go. I'm going to add the vegetable oil. And I'm going to add the egg. And I'm going to add the milk. Wet ingredients in. Engaging wonderful blender. And I'm going to mix. Ready?
Ready.
Mix. Wet ingredients have been mixed. What is next, Daughter?
All of our dry ingredients.
Dry ingredients going in. Ready. Flour. In. Sugar. In. Chocolate chips. In. Lactose-free chocolate chips. Sorry. Alright. Baking soda. Powder, actually. In. Salt. In. How long do I mix this?
Just until it has lumps and it's just starting to get wet.
Okay, so don't overmix. Ready? Whoa! It's mixing! It's mixing! Here we go! And we're done!
Alrighty, everybody. Now we need to fill our muffin tins 2/3 of the way with batter. And when you're done with that, put the raw sugar, brown sugar mixed, a little bit of that on top. Repeat 11 more times.
Now that we've filled all of the muffin tins with the batter and that yummy brown and raw sugar mixture on top, we're going to place it into a preheated 400-degree oven for 17 to 20 minutes. Be back real soon. It's been about 18 minutes since we put our lactose-free chocolate chip muffins in the oven. Let's check it out and see how they're doing. Hello! Look at me! I'm a lactose-free chocolate chip muffin, and I am done. Tasty, y'all. Let's get ready to eat. So, we have got muffins galore. We did it. Lactose-free chocolate chip muffins. But before we eat them, you're going to tell me we got to do something, aren't you?
I am. We need our taste tester.
Well, then call them in.
Taste tester!
Hello, taste tester.
Hello, Daddy.
Are you ready to do your job?
Yes.
All right. Well then, if you would, do your job. Have a muffin.
I'm hovering.
Oh, so they're okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, he says they're okay. Daughter, here's yours.
Thank you.
Here's mine. If you would, folks, remember, like, subscribe, and before we chow down, even though he's already doing it, on this lactose-free chocolate chip muffin, We got one thing to remind you folks of.
In this house, we dance in the kitchen.
Bye, everybody.
Mm.